Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. If you're locked out of your iPhone because of an activation lock, forgotten passcode, or other restrictions, getting access to your device can be really frustrating. But there is a tool that can make these situations much easier to handle. This is TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, an easy-to-use solution designed for different iPhone and iPad unlocking needs. With TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, you can unlock an iOS screen, unlock Apple ID, remove iCloud activation lock, remove MDM restrictions, unlock screen time passcodes, and even remove iTunes backup encryption. It also includes additional tools such as a password manager and other useful features. In this video, I'm going to show you how the activation lock removal process works with TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. So, let's get started. First, open TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, and as you can see, the software provides several different unlocking options directly on the main interface. For this demonstration, we're going to select Remove iCloud Activation Lock. After selecting this option, TunesKit shows the steps required to connect and prepare the iPhone. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will guide you through the process step by step, so you don't have to figure everything out on your own. Depending on your device, TunesKit may require you to enter recovery mode or DFU mode. The software provides on-screen instructions showing exactly what you need to do. Here, the iPhone is being prepared for DFU mode. Once the device successfully enters the required mode, TunesKit automatically recognizes it and continues with the next step. You can see the progress directly inside the software, which makes it easy to follow what is happening. Now, TunesKit starts the activation lock removal process. During this stage, make sure that your iPhone remains connected to the computer and follow the instructions provided by the software. After the process is completed, TunesKit displays a confirmation that the activation lock has been removed successfully. And as you can see, the iPhone is now ready to continue with the setup process. What I like about TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is that everything is organized into a simple interface, with different tools available from one place. Apart from activation lock, it also supports features for unlocking iOS screens, Apple ID-related unlocking, MDM removal, and screen time passcode unlocking. So, if you're dealing with an iPhone or iPad that you can no longer access normally, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker can be a useful option to consider. You can find the download link in the description below, and you can also use the coupon code TKiPhone to get 30% off. Check out TunesKit iPhone Unlocker using the link in the description, and make sure to follow the instructions carefully for your specific device. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.